Here are 5 dark psychology facts to make someone crazily obsessed with you. Intermittent reinforcement. Give attention and affection sporadically, creating a craving for your approval and making them chase after you. Create mystery. Keep aspects of your life secretive and unpredictable, making them constantly curious and wanting to know more about you. Play hot and cold. Alternate between being warm and distant to keep them emotionally off balance and constantly seeking your validation. Mirror their behavior. Subtly mimic their actions and words to create a deep sense of connection and familiarity, making them feel understood. Highlight their flaws. Occasionally point out their insecurities in a subtle way to make them dependent on your approval and validation. Follow for more insights into the dark side of human behavior.